am just so exhausted.
I know! Man!
Oh,
gracious. Hey, let's go for a ride. Come on.
Hey, girl.
Gracie! Hey!
Hey, girl.
Hey, girl! Hey!
Oh, just a second.
Man, wait a minute. Okay, somebody turn on some tunes.
Yeah.
Hi! Woohoo! Woo!
Now where y'all want to go?
You just drive us and we'll sing.
Wanna listen to some music?
Yeah.
Let's turn on some country tunes. Here we go.
Saw the sign for lemonade. They were the cutest kids I'd ever seen in this front yard. As they handed me my glass, smiling, thinking to myself, man, what a picture perfect postcard this would make of America. It's a high school prom, it's a Springsteen song, it's a ride in a Chevrolet. It's a man on the moon and fireflies in June and kids selling lemonade. It's cities and farms, open arms, one nation under God. It's America.
Y'all are good.
All right.
Impressive.
Turn it up a little bit.
Oh, let's go to the Green Acre.
Yeah.
Sitting in six-lane backed up traffic, horns are honking, I've about had it. I'm looking for an exit sign. Gotta get out of here, get it all off my mind. Then like a memory from your grandpa's attic, a song comes slipping through the radio static, changing my mood. A little George Street, 1982, and it
Makes me wanna take a back road. Makes me wanna take the long way home. Put a little gravel in my travel. Unwind, unravel all night long. Makes me wanna grab my honey.
Tear down some two-lane country. Who knows? Get lost and get right with my soul. Makes me wanna take a back road.
Good road, Amy. Yeah. Good back road. Shoot.
We grew up down by the railroad tracks, sharing BBs and old beer cans. Choking on the smoke from a Lucky Strike somebody lifted off of his old man. We were football flunkies, southern rock junkies, cranking up the stereos. Singing loud and proud to give me three steps, Simple Man and Curtis Lowe. We were big, you know.
these are my people. This is where I come from. We're giving this life everything we've got and then some. It ain't always pretty, but it's real.
It's the way we were made, wouldn't have it any other way. These are my people.
We fall down and we get
at the Sounds of Independence concert, August 19th, where Rodney Atkins will open for Jennifer Nettles.